Hey, good morning, friends. Jeff from Bygone here with another unbelievable low mileage survivor. This one is a 1979 Chevy Z28 Camaro with an absolutely incredible 11,897 miles. Prior to our purchase, this was a one-owner car. Comes with just a boatload of documentation, provenance. This car's just unbelievable, gang. Hey, I've got to do a little jockeying here in the shop, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to do a cold start on this car. This one has been driven semi-regularly, just a few miles, but started and you know, left to idle and things like that, and driven around the block. And so it does run and start really nicely. Honestly, just two pumps. Say, while I've got you with me here, ladies and gents, I'm gonna buzz the garage door open and let's move the car around. Engine's cold, but let's see. I don't know if she'll kick down for us. No, but I gotta move it. It's cold out now. I got the door open. Ah, it's freaking raining out. Damn it. Hey, welcome to Wisconsin. All right, original tires on this car that are in need of replacement. They're pretty dry rotted, gang. So no test drives on this car. If this is a vehicle that you plan to drive regularly, plan to get some tires for it. All right, well, this is as far as the test drive is going to go here, ladies and gents, but in just a minute I'll shut up and you can hear this thing continue to idle. Sorry, I'm backing up here. The 68 Camaro behind us. Jeepers. Here we go. Let's see if she'll kick down now. No, you know, these 350s from this era sometimes want 3, 4, 5 minutes to warm up. Ladies and gents, I don't even know what to say. This car is just unbelievable. For those of you who collect low mileage survivors, this one should be right up your alley. Thanks so much for your time. There, now she's coming down a little bit, but take care, gang. Bye.